Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about apps installation on your Windows PC. Whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, and in this video, I will show you how to install Gmail app on your Windows PC without any stress. All you have to do is to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how you can easily install Gmail app on your Windows PC, whether Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your browser. Preferably, make sure you use Chrome browser. And the next thing you want to do is to make sure you log into your Chrome browser with your Google account, your Gmail, and password. Having successfully logged in, next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here. Go ahead and open up your Gmail. Just go ahead and log in with your Gmail account, just like so. After you successfully log into your Gmail account, and the next thing you want to do right here is to come to the top right here, and then go ahead and click on these three dots. And the next thing you want to do is to come down below right here, continue to scroll down all the way down until you get to cast, save, and share. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on install page as app. And this is going to pop up right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on install. And in a few seconds, you have your Gmail app successfully installed right here. So I go ahead and click on here to close this tab. Then we have Gmail app icon on my desktop right here. So each time I want to quickly access my Gmail app, what I need to do is to go ahead and hover my mouse over the icon in the desktop right here and press enter key on my keyboard. And in a few seconds, it's going to load up my Gmail right here without any stress. Just like so. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how best to use your Gmail on Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.